Hi, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. I'm Christi. Today I am talking about a new product launch for Jon Renau, and this is the new Hat Magic, but also the new Softie Cap. So Jon Renau has a Softie line, if you don't know, and it's like a beanie collection, some soft hats to wear. They just feel so comfortable. I use a lot of them in my styling on my wig reviews. And so this is their new Softie Cap. So it's like a hat, but it's all closed in and super soft. Now this is in, I believe, the gray color. It's so cute, the dark gray. They have multiple different colors and prints, so you'll want to go to jonrenau.com and check that out, or like your favorite retailer. Now, this new Hat Magic is awesome. I'm going to talk about a few different things about it, and I have the original Hat Magic to show you a comparison of what's changed between the original Hat Magic from a few years ago to this new Hat Magic. Now, Hat Magic comes in a couple different lengths. I believe it comes in a 10-inch and a 16-inch, and it now comes in a whole arrangement of different colors, including California Blondes. So you'll definitely want to check out those color options that are available to you now. This is in the 6F27 color, and it's actually the first time I've ever had this color, and it's really pretty. I do like it. It's just a highlighted brunette color and has really pretty dimensions. Now, I'm wearing the 16-inch Hat Magic. Now for these fibers, you just really want to make sure you're combing them and you're using a wide tooth comb and some detangler spray as well regularly because of these long fibers, okay? Now I'm going to show you this piece without this. Now first let me show you inside the Softie Cap. It just has their logo there. It has like a nice stretch, super soft to touch, and you have like that bill there, okay? Super cute. So you'll see here when I put my hat on, you can see through and see hair and nothing there, right? So that's one of the awesome things about this, is that you're going to get that there. Now my head is shaved, so I do have a little bit of an issue here, but if I keep some down, it kind of helps disguise that. For those of you that have bio hair, you can bring in some of your natural bio hair very easily in this. But isn't this so cute? I like that. And I like how this covers it. So this is how she looks with a regular hat on, and how she blends in and how she doesn't show the back. Now, let me show you what my standard Hat Magic looks like. Now, keep in mind, this is kind of gone back with this, but there's pull adjusters right here, and I'll show you here in just a minute. And that's what's game changer about this. So when I first got this Hat Magic, it was 3 years ago. I bought this one myself 3 years ago. And 3 years ago, my head was very much bigger than it is now. And I was almost a 23-inch head. This is in the color 130-31, which is Cherry Cobbler. Let me show you this here. It does have for baseball cap here, okay? But there's a difference. So we're gonna talk about that. One, there's no adjusters here, as you can see. Okay, this is the standard original Hat Magic. It's lace, no adjusting on this, okay? No adjusting on this top. The only room for adjustment is here in the front. And that's where I ran into issues, was my head size. Now let's look at the construction of it. Is just a standardized wefted basic construction. Lace over those wefts. Like I said, just lace here. There's no, there's stretch, but there's no adjusting on this. This is still 16-inch. Now let's take a look at this new style for Hat Magic. It is a soft lace. It's still a lace covering there, but it's done nicer fabric there to close in those wefts. And it still has this, for the hat, I feel like curves more. Then it has this poly like a silicone poly there, stitched in. So you could apply adhesive, especially if you have no hair at all. That's really who it's for. And then down at the nape, it has that polysilicone stitched in section down there, so you could apply adhesives so that it will not move. You could do red tape for that. You can use blue tape, but red tape is really designed for the silicone poly strips. Also, it has it at the ear tabs, so you could apply a little bit there so it does not move from those ear tabs and can provide you with stability there. Now, I probably will not tape this down, but if I wanted to, I could. I do have a buzz, so I don't know if that's something that I would necessarily do myself, but it will actually, sometimes the silicone will help it stay put. I notice for me though, it kind of bulks out. But it does fine with the hat on or a beanie on. So if you are completely bald and would like that, there is some stability in using tape for extra support to keep that in place. Now this is the 6F27 color. She's really adorable. Okay, so this is what's also different. So you have the adjuster here. That's the same, it had that same adjuster. Now this is the front. See how this is your standard, this is different than the regular, original Hat Magic, okay? Now look at this back. You can adjust this too. So you can adjust the front to back as well as this side measurement. Where before on the Hat Magic, you could only adjust the sides, not the front to back. So this is a great feature for petite heads or large heads, and to take that out and make it adjustable for you. So what do you guys think about the new Softie cap? I love this cap. Honestly, like sometimes if I'm in a hurry and I just want to run somewhere, you could totally wear it on your head. It just feels so soft and comfortable, especially for ladies that don't have that much hair. It's just super soft on the head and is made with the best of fabrics. But it's just an amazing soft cap to put on your head and to have a little bit of style to it. Also, what do you guys think about this new Hat Magic and the better features that they have brought to this Hat Magic? Leave a comment down below. I'd love to see what your thoughts are. Personally, I'll just be very honest with you. I didn't care for my original Hat Magic because it was so tight on my head back then. But like I said, that was 3 years ago and it was so tight it would leave this indent. So I'm excited to try this new version. One, because my head has shrunk. Two, because I'm able to adjust it where I need to adjust it, tighten it or loosen it. And three, because of the new poly markings, it's going to feel more secure. And so I think it's going to be really great. Also, I really like this new cap. So let me know what you guys think. Don't forget that you can check out jonrenau.com and check in with any retailer that is on their store locator, and you can purchase these from them. Hope you have a great day. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.